Welcome back to your Crowdsourcing Shopee YouTube channel. Yung video natin guys for today ay isang napakagandang balita para sa lahat ng mga XRP and solo holders. Binance will support the Sologenic Solo Airdrop Program for XRP holders. Okay. This is another cryptocurrency coin or cryptocurrency token. So, for as long as holder ka ng XRP dito sa Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange Platform, eligible ka kapag ka na-meet mo yung requirements para dito sa Solo Airdrop Program. Binance will support the Sologenic Solo Airdrop Program for XRP holders. Snapshots will be taken at the first validated XRP ledger index number with a timestamp greater than or equal to 2021 December 24, 8 o'clock, coordinated universal time. Okay. The airdrop solo amount for an eligible user will be determined by the formula below. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin dito, yung system ni XRP, ni Solo cryptocurrency, and then yung in partnership with Binance, kukuha sila ng screenshot. So ang term nila dito is snapshot. So dapat dito sa date na to, meron kang holdings ng either since Binance cryptocurrency exchange yung pinag-uusapan natin, dapat meron ka daw holdings ng XRP on this exact date and time. So December 24, 8 o'clock, coordinated universal time. So para maging malinaw sa atin guys, anong oras ba to sa Manila? Ang sabi dito, ito yung World Time Body. Pwede ko ring ilagay ang link ng time converter na to sa description ng ating video. Ito yung universal ito yung coordinated universal time or UTC. Ang sabi, December 24, 8 o'clock PM yan eh. Kasi naka-military time, so PM yan. Okay, based dito sa information na nakikita natin guys, dapat yung Binance account natin, meron tayong kung existing holder ka ng XRP, gaya ko, magiging napakagandang opportunity nito kasi airdrop to, ibig sabihin libre for as long as we're holding XRP. December 24 pero 8 o'clock na ng gabi sa ibang bansa. Pero para hindi tayo malito, ang oras nito, for as long as may holdings ka ng XRP mo, on December 24, 4 o'clock AM Manila onwards, eligible ka sa Sologenic Airdrop Program. Itong mga ganitong yung mga ganitong event guys, napaka-bullish nito kasi syempre yung mga tao bibili ng XRP. Bumaba ang XRP for as low as 39 pesos nung last ako bumili. It even went down to 36 peso. Pero nagkaroon lang ako ng extra nung nag-39 peso siya. So I took the opportunity last time na nagkaroon ng bearish market para makapag-accumulate kahit nagdagdag lang ako ng kaya ko na XRP holdings. So kung may ganito, magiging magandang catalyst ito for XRP. Okay. So ang sinasabi naman dito, the airdrop solo amount will for an eligible user will be determined by the formula below. Amount received. Ang sinasabing amount received kung ilang solo daw yung makukuha. Kung ilan yung XRP mo by the time nung snapshot, so ito yon, divided by the total XRP held by Binance at the snapshot time. Okay. Okay. Ito, yung amount na makukuha natin na solo is equal to the amount nung solo XRP holdings na meron tayo divided by ito kasi yung total XRP held by Binance at the snapshot time. Pag nag-snapshot yung system ni XRP, kung ilan man daw yung XRP na accumulated in total sa Binance na mare-record by the time of the screenshot, yun yung magiging divisor mo. syempre hindi pa natin yan ma-anticipate until such time na mangyari yun kasi we'll let the system do that. Please note, ito yung mga importanteng dapat malaman. Snapshots include XRP balances in spot wallet, margin, and savings account. Ang totoo niyan, lahat ng mga holdings ko ng coin ay nasa either Binance Earn or liquidity pool or liquidity farming. Yung nakikita natin dito sa overview ng Binance ko, ano lang yan? Yan yung mga na-accumulate na interest dahil dun sa Binance Earn or liquidity pool. Kaya yan lang yung nagre-reflect. Pero meron talaga akong holding ng XRP. So ito siya. Meron talaga akong holdings ng XRP. And naka Binance Earn flexible savings yan lahat, including yung Gala, HBAR, VET, and XRP. So ito yung mga inaalagaan kong coins talaga, and maliit na portion ng aking portfolio ay nakalagay din. Onti lang yung kinuha kong Shiba Inu. Ang malaki ko talaga sa ngayon ang malaki ko lang talaga Gila and XRP. Yung Binance pinipilit ko tong ipunan kasi para consistent akong nakakasali sa Binance Launchpad and Binance Launchpool, and maging malaki naman yung rewards na nakukuha. Kasi kapag ka less than 1 BNB talaga, medyo fraction lang yung nakukuha na earnings and rewards sa Launchpool or Launchpad. So I'm working on improving the investment I have for BNB. Okay, so napahapyawan ko lang yung para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung how I also manage, kasi I'm sharing my thoughts and videos about cryptocurrency. So for me, it wouldn't harm naman kung i-share ko yung information about how I manage my portfolio. Basta when it comes to managing your portfolio, naglalagay ako ng maliit na portion sa community driven tokens, pero maliit lang. Nagko-concentrate ako dito sa mga coins na ni-research ko muna bago ako mag-invest. And naniniwala ako sa project nila. XRP borrowed from ito yung mga hindi pwede. Basta galing sa crypto loans or XRP transferred to spot wallet from these accounts. Okay. So halimbawa, nasa spot wallet nga, pero yung XRP, kinuha mo lang dito sa crypto loan, hindi siya pwede. Kailangan, diretso mo siyang binili sa market, nag-buy ka ng XRP, tapos nandun sa spot wallet mo. Or, bumili ka ng XRP sa trade option ni Binance, napunta siya sa spot wallet, and then from spot wallet, nilagay mo siya sa Binance Earn. Yun, pwede yun. Yan, punta tayo ng fiat and spot. So halimbawa, bumili ka ng XRP, nandun sa spot wallet mo. Tapos ang ginawa mo, nilagay mo siya sa Binance Earn para maging flexible savings, kagaya nung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na nandito siya. Yan, pwede yan. Valid yan. Kasi dito, magkakaroon ka pa ng earnings ng XRP eh. Tumutubo pa yan eh. So okay yan, valid yan kasi hindi naman siya loan. XRP balances under 10 XRP including those in trade orders will not be eligible. So kailangan more than 10 XRP yung holdings mo. Binance will distribute solo tokens after the project has completed the solo token distribution to XRP holders. Magpo-post daw sila ng announcement sa distribution. Okay. Para magkaroon tayo ng idea guys, ganito ang gagawin natin. Nagkaroon ng recent airdrop ang Binance for SGB or Songbird token. Ganito yan. When we click on Binance logo, click on crypto airdrop. Makikita natin dito yung Songbird. Na-post ito. Tignan nyo Guys, tignan yung maigi to para magka-idea tayo Okay. Itong Songbird na to, airdrop din to para sa mga XRP holders. Nauna to kesa dito sa solo. Nangyari ito last year pa, 2020 December 12. Okay? So yan yung time na nag-snapshot yung Binance and XRP, yung system nila para sa mga valid holders ng XRP na magkakaroon ng reward na SGB. December 12, 2020. Ngayon, nakuha lang nila yan. Ayan Binance completes the Songbird airdrop distribution to XRP holders itong date na to. So, kaka-complete lang nitong December 21, kahapon. So, ang ibig kong sabihin, based dito sa information, dito pa lang, kasi ang sabi dito sa information na meron yung yung solo airdrop program, mag-uumpisa sila December 24, 2021. So based dun sa information na nakita natin, huwag tayong mag-expect na agad-agad magre-reflect yung yung rewards natin ng solo agad-agad. So libre naman to, kumbaga libre na nga, wala ka namang ilalabas. Kung ano lang yung holdings mo ng XRP dito sa Binance, ibibigay naman nila yung karampatang reward sa iyo ng solo. Pero sabi kasi nila dito, we will post further announcement once the distribution is completed. So reason why pinakita ko previously yung yung SGB is to give you the expectation na most likely it might take a year based doon sa mga previous airdrops na meron ng XRP. Pero kung magiging mas maaga, edi well and good. Either way naman, favorable yun kasi airdrop to, libre lang for as long as holder tayo ng XRP. So ganun siya tinitignan. Kailangan lang maging patient tayo and kalma lang. Wag masyadong yung demanding. Hindi naman to kapag ka naging patient ka naman dito and you do your own research and you always monitor your investment, may para saan ba't naman magiging din yan? Magiging fruitful din itong mga investment natin balang araw. Kailangan lang ng maging patient, saka yung way on how you manage your finances, maging responsible lang tayo. Tsaka always buy low and sell high. Very basic pero may rin kasi ito psychology and yung kung paano mo hinahandle yung emotions mo kapag nandun ka na sa situation na yon. So US persons, entities, and sanctioned countries are not eligible to receive this airdrop. For more information, yun lang. Talagang talagang ang higpit sa US. Pagka nag-research kayo guys, magme-make sense tong statement na to alam naman natin na ang XRP ay recently nagkaroon ng lawsuit sa sa SEC, Security Exchange Commission. So parang kina-question yung security ng XRP. Pero I'm in the understanding na liyamado sa kaso si XRP and mananalo siya. But we'll wait for further announcement. Okay, for further information on how Solo will be distributed to XRP holders, please refer to ito yung mga links. So pag inopen natin yung links na yan, nandito lahat ng mga frequently asked questions. So Sologenic Solo Airdrop Guidelines and Facts. Ayan. So lahat ng mga katanungan, basa-basa lang din ng onte para maintindihan nyo maintindihan yung mga information. Nonetheless, lahat naman ng mga information na binigay ko sa inyo sa video na to, pretty much yun yung pinaka-basic and pinaka-gist ng dapat nyong malaman, lalo na kung kayo ay holder ng either XRP or Solo token. Pero kung nasa Binance kasi yung XRP nyo, XRP lang yung magiging eligible dito dahil wala pang Solo cryptocurrency na listed sa market ni Binance. XRP lang ang meron. Pero sinuport pa rin ni Binance. Guys, ito yung isang important information. For the trading and listing of Solo on Binance, Solo will go through the same strict listing review process as Binance does with any other coin or token. So, wala pang guarantee na ililist ni Binance ang Solo, pero based dito sa article na meron sila, sinusuportahan nila yung airdrop ng Solo dahil they also have XRP listed on their Binance cryptocurrency market. So, dapat alam natin to. Ngayon, kung gusto mong ma-maximize itong airdrop na to ng Solo and XRP, meron ka ring option para, halimbawa, meron ka ng XRP holding sa Binance. Pag chinek mo ang CoinMarketCap, ito yung halaga ngayon ni Solo token, $3.92. So, pag tinimes mo sa 50, 196 peso ang isang token. And then, kung gusto mo talaga ng Solo na nabili sa exchange, pwede kang mag-research and mamili dito sa mga eligible market or cryptocurrency exchanges na listed ang Solo. So pwede ang Bitrue, na-check ko na to, and supported ng Bitrue ang Solo listing and airdrop. Ayan. Halos kagaya lang ng XRP and parehas din ang date. Na-check ko na rin ang Hotbit and meron din. Parehas na parehas din halos nung article ni Binance. Same date din. Ang mangyayari lang dito, kung meron kang holdings ng XRP sa Binance and gusto mong ma-maximize tong airdrop na to, dahil wala pa yung Solo token dito sa Binance, pwede kang mag-open ng account sa mga ibang exchange na supported or listed sa market nila yung Solo or Sologenic token, and then buy a Solo token from there. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm only sharing all information from reliable sources. It's always up to you to do your own research and decide on how you will manage your investment or cryptocurrency holdings.
And disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.